Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download TikTok Live Studio on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type TikTok Live Studio download. Then here, you'll see the several websites in the result. Click the first website that appears on the list, and once you're on the page, look for the button that says Download for Windows, and go ahead and click it. A window will pop up asking where to save the file. Choose your preferred folder and click Save. Wait for a few minutes for the download to complete, and once finished, go to the folder where the file was saved. You'll see the TikTok Live Studio installer. Click to open it, then go back to the browser and click Get Access button. Next, click Install Now and the installation process will begin. And after installation, TikTok Live Studio is ready to use. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.